Oh, hey. Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time that you're watching this video. What we're getting ready to get into is actually a new series. It's called Peace Be Still, and we're going to actually start from season 1. This comes from Victory Productions and is a collaboration with film Architectz as well. If you're new to this channel, I do have disclaimers, and I am very, very thorough with them. In this video, you will have spoilers, cussing, fussing, sipping, smoke, incense.
Jesus said to his disciples, let us cross over to the other side of the lake. So they took Jesus into the boat and they went to the other side.
Okay.
Leaving the crowds behind. Teacher! Teacher! Aren't you afraid that we're going to drown? When Jesus awoke, he rebuked the winds. And he said to the sea, peace, be still.
Swish,
Hey.
big facts, bling power wrist, get them big facts, and all out speak, get them big facts, big boss shit, ooh yeah them big facts, I like the boss switch, get them big facts, bling power wrist, get them big facts,
What happened to a little bump?
get them big facts, get them big facts.
Stroke's a little weak on this wall for us to have this long line.
Abracadabra, that way your bitch at. 1, 2, 3,
I don't know.
She said she wanna meet, brother, call him sis.
Clean it up, Kokar.
I got it.
Ooh. Was you expecting something?
Listen, I need you to give me less urban and give me more high fashion. If you want to continue to work for Still Magazine, I need you to give me what I need. And right now, you're not giving me what I need.
And said I need less urban and more high fashion. What's that supposed to mean? Like, girl, the girl is in there in damn near a wedding dress. I said I was gonna do better this year, didn't I? I said I was.
I need you to let me do my fucking job.
And I need you to realize who the fuck you're talking to right now.
Oh, yeah. If you're gonna be hooking up in the workplace, the least you can do is not look like it. Your dress.
Come on, Chloe. Miss.
We weren't hooking up. Canyon and I made love.
Girl.
When did you get on the first name basis with the CEO of Still Publications? Cannon promised me that he would make me a model for this company. He just said he needed a little bit more time to get things in order. So what? In the meantime, you continue giving him pussy while you stay his personal assistant?
Ooh.
I won't be his assistant for long. Cannon gonna make through with his promises, and I believe him. That's the sad part.
Excuse me, ladies. Hi.
Hi.
We here at Still Publications don't pay you to just stand around and talk to each other all day, okay? Now, I'm sure that there is something that could be done around here, so let's get to that, shall we?
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna check them out.
I mean, well, she just got finished doing something.
Hi, Mr. Steele.
Messy. What's this mess? What's this mess? Divorces.
I don't know whether to say congratulations or my condolences.
Bad joke. Bad joke.
I'll just take these and file them.
Scoot on away.
Well, I don't know about you, but I got everything that I wanted. So as for me, it's a congratulations, ex-husband.
You all have a good day.
But because of you and fucking rookie boy out there, I lost half of my damn company.
And another thing. It will help if you didn't come to these proceedings with fresh coke up your damn nose.
Oh.
Oh, we full of knowledge.
Oh.
He's a whole meal. He can get it.
Hell, he already got it. It was good, too. Yeah, I had some of that big D, too. And girl, I'm feeling for some snow.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, you thought you was the only ones. He's mine. You may have had him once, but they got him all the time.
How would he say this? Sins of iniquity?
No, I believe it was Sodom and Gomorrah.
Oh wait, I think it was the den of sinners.
Y'all done yet?
No, but you are. What the hell are you doing here, Abel?
I'm just here to talk to
Oh, you here what? Come talk to us about how we're all sinners and all that bullshit? I tell you what, you can keep that bullshit to yourself. Man, get the hell out of here! Get the hell off of me!
Why you so mean?
You get the fuck out of my building!
He's so angry. I don't understand why he's so angry. Oh. This nigga's literally stomping. Like, he's literally stomping. Oh.
Oh my goodness, what happened? What's wrong?
Uh-oh.
My brother, your husband happened.
Ex-husband. Are you alright?
So, we just had a divorce, and now we've been sleeping with the brother.
You hear that?
No, I didn't.
Y'all not gonna close the door?
No, you just need to relax.
Y'all need to close the door.
Galaxy, higher than the galaxies. Understand beautiful catastrophe.
Everybody
Vividly flying free, feeling like a dynasty. What are we?
Well, we in it now. We might as well go on ahead. This is like a little binge watch. That was episode 1. We're gonna go on ahead. This episode 2. Alright, so that was episode 1, and we have already established that this is a thick ass family, and mommy and daddy was really getting it in because, oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and get on to episode 2, but as far as I see from the beginning, like, we're off to a cute little start. What is the cost of a man's soul? Leave your comments down in the box. Did you watch the episode? I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you already haven't. Again, the link is down there in the bottom. So make sure that you go ahead and watch the full season. Seasons 1, 2, and 3. They're out. It's only 3 seasons. And so therefore, go ahead, catch up. Catch up with me. I love you guys. Stay safe. Stay secure. Love ya. Mwah.